Hello! You can store items for future use using favorites, such as items you use often or want to find again easily. Items you save as favorites are personal and will not be shared with others. In this session, you will learn how to add items to your favorites, how to organize your favorites using tags, and how to later add items from your favorites to a list. You can access your favorites from the navigation menu. In it, you can see all the items you have previously added. To add items to your favorites, click the Add button. This will allow you several options. Search the library for an item. Manual entry, meaning you'll enter the item details in a form, or upload your own file. For example, let's search for an item to add. Once you've found it, click on the plus sign. And here it is in my favorites. You can also add items to your favorites from a list. From within the list, click on the item menu and choose Save as Favorite. To add items in bulk, check Multiple Items, and from the list's More Actions button, select Add to Favorites. And last, you can add items to your favorites using the Cited tool. Here is my video article. Click on Cited. Make sure to select either Collection or Favorites, depending on what you see. Then click Add and Close. Here it is. To remove an item from your favorites, from the Item menu icon, choose Delete Item and confirm. You can also delete items in bulk by selecting multiple items and choosing Delete from the Favorites actions. You can tag items in order to organize your favorites. To add tags to an item, click on the item and then Add Private Tag. Select from tags you've used before or type in a new tag. You can add multiple tags if you wish. You can remove a tag from the item by clicking on the X next to the tag. To filter the items by tags, for example, to see items I tagged for my Phil 100_summer course, click the filter icon and select your desired tag. And Apply. The Favorites display shows only items that are tagged with Phil 100_summer. You can remove a tag filter by clicking on the filter option and choosing Clear. You can also sort the list by different options, and you can search for items within by clicking the search icon. You can easily add items that are saved as favorites to a list, either from your favorites or from the list. To add items from your favorites to a list, open the Item menu icon and select Add to List. Specify the list and the section, and add. Or select multiple items and click Add to List. Again, choose a list and a section and click Add. Now it's added to the list. If you're already in the list and you want to add an item from favorites, click Add. Add from favorites. Then click Add Item to List, or simply drag and drop them. This concludes our session on managing favorites. Thanks for joining.